Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be upgrading the RAM of this Dell Latitude 7280. You could do it to your own laptop too, it doesn't have to be a 7280. The process is usually similar. 16 gigabytes isn't cutting it anymore. It's okay, but I just want 32. So the first thing you want to do is power off your PC with the power button. You shouldn't do that unless if you're actually going to do a repair. Next, you're going to want to flip it over and unscrew all of these screws. And then you're just going to pop it off like this. It's always a good practice to disconnect the battery whether you're doing something that needs it to be or not. Okay, so now that the battery is disconnected, you're going to separate the clips as shown. Let me give you a better view. Separate the clips as shown. To take it off, you just pop it off with these clips. With these side clips, you pop it off. And then it should lift like this. You pull it out. And to put it back in, you look at the connector, and also the sticker should be on the back side. The front side's like this. To put it back in, you look at the connector, and just stick it in, push down. If you hear the click, you're good. Now to reconnect the battery, simply push it in. If you hear the click, you're good. Take this cover, put it on here. Make sure it's fully flush on all sides. See this gap here? You don't want that. Now it's better. And re-screw all screws. All the screws are back in securely. Flip it over, open the lid, power it on. Wait for it to boot. And you're done. It might tell you the amount of RAM has changed in this PC, and you just click F1 to retry boot, and you're good. Put in your password. You guys didn't see anything. Let this load. Go into Task Manager, Performance, Memory. You'll see I still have 16 gigs because I can't afford the RAM with the current prices. If you subscribe, I'll get new RAM.